Hello, everyone. This is Marlin Carter again out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. Today, as usual, I want to talk about how you can advertise and send your messages of what you are promoting, your program, your business opportunity, your product. I'm always about free advertising, but I'm about making an extra income as well. And most of the uh, systems are the places that I promote to you to uh, advertise through will allow you by upgrading to make a commission as an affiliated partner. So yesterday I made a video about profit from free ad, and I'm loving this system more and more as I learn more and more about it. And yes, it's been around for a while, and I don't know exactly what year it started. Uh, I don't know, but I know I can go back to 2017. Maybe it's been around a little longer than that, but I'm looking at it as of today. I don't care what you're promoting online, what you have been promoting. This is a new way that you can promote if you haven't used it yet, even if you had in the past and you want to take another try at it. You're welcome to do so. Click on the link below in the description part and be one of my partners in the this profit from free ad. This is what you're gonna get. Now, like I said, I always like to show you a way to advertise for free, but it's up to you to make money with this thing if you want it or not. Okay, the owner is Jane Mark. I've been knowing her for years now, and she's been around, man, and she's everywhere you look. You can't miss her. She's in there. She's out there. Send Solo ads for life. Once you get started, and if you uh, purchase the packages inside of this system, you can promote your business for life. No matter what you're promoting, you can change up whatever you're promoting, you can promote it for life. It's according to what level you're on, determines when you can promote uh, in every month. Okay, send solo ads for life, earn big commissions, build a list, and do it all faster and easier than ever before. One thing about promoting your business opportunity, uh, selling products or what have you, you're going to need a list to promote your business opportunity or products too. Profit from free ads is an easy to use wealth creation system where you can earn large commission every day. Send solo ads for life. Do you know what solo ads are? I've been around for a while. Solo ads, they are they are effective, and they were more effective in the past years, but they still work. Solo ads still work. Build a list faster than you can say Rupasipskin, Rumpelstiltskin. I can't pronounce that, and get more advertising exposure than you dream possible. Here are some outstanding benefits you get when you join Profit from free ads. You can send solo ads for life to the entire PFFA membership. You can send solo ads for life to your personal signups. You can give away unlimited free ad credits to encourage people to sign up. I like that because I have received unlimited credits from other people. You can build a list quickly by giving away these ad credits. You can promote your favorite site for life. You can earn up to 50% on every sale you make. You can earn on each sale you make. There's no limit on how much money you can earn at PFFA, Profit from Free Ad. You can earn up to 584.50 cents per sale. Choose one of the powerful money-making ad packs below. And if you're ready, just click on yes, I am ready. I'm going to put that link down in the bottom of this video in the description part. You can make a decision because it's going to bring you over to my page here. And you can join for free. Collect your free ad credits. Take this amazing system for a spin and upgrade later. You can join free. You can join for free. You can upgrade later when you get ready. And it say, thanks, yes, give my free ads. Okay. Before you continue as a free member, there are some things you should know before you decide. You will not be able to give away unlimited free ads and ad views. You will not be able to promote the site as a free member. You will not be able to earn commission as a free member. And you will not be able to send solo ads as a free member. When we talk about 7 different ad packs, we are not talking about MLM. PFFA is not MLM. Each package is separate ad pack. You can jump straight to ad pack 7 if you wish, but you need to purchase all ad packs to do that. As a free member, you can collect free ad credits and promote limited text ad banners ads. However, when your ad credits run out, you will need to earn more credits or upgrade. If you choose one of the affordable ad pack below, you can get off to a flying start and begin making money straight away. Prices begin at just $17. You pay once and that's it. And then you can click OK. I am ready to make money. Our customers have their say. These are testimonies. When you come over to the page, you can read these testimonies of different people. Evidently, they are happy. See the smile on their faces. But anyway, come on over. Join for free, but take advantage of this system. It doesn't matter if you upgrade today, this evening, tonight, tomorrow, or whenever you get ready. Realize the potentials, realize the power of this system. Okay, we're going to go to the home page. This is the home page. Add profits. I just wanted to kind of look around. I wanted to show you the blog that you get when you join the system. I created me a blog. Okay, my blog right here. This is my blog. I don't think I posted but one time. Let me see. This is my blog. I haven't posted yet, but that's in the future. It's coming. It's coming. So you'll be able to build your blog as well. You can promote it once you get your first package. You can promote it with text ads. You got banner ads and so on. Okay. This is the public blog link you can promote right here. This is the blog link that I can promote. And here's videos that I had set up in my blog that I will be promoting if I promote this page. But anyway, my name is Marlin Carter. Click on the link below to get started. Let's be partners in this. We will be affiliate associates and we can connect with each other and let each other know what we are doing as far as making money from home. You all have a wonderful day. Join Profit from Free Ad with me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.